Hey everyone, welcome back to Automobiles Car. Today, we're diving into a fascinating blend of classic and modern with the 2025 Morris Minor. Yes, you heard that right, the Morris Minor is making a comeback, and we've got all the details for you. If you love classic cars and futuristic designs, stay tuned. First things first, hey, let's talk design. The 2025 Morris Minor pays homage to its classic roots while incorporating sleek, modern updates. The iconic rounded headlights and charming grille are still there, but with a modern twist. The body has been reimagined with advanced materials for improved aerodynamics and efficiency. Step inside. The Morris Minor has been transformed into a luxury experience. The dashboard features a digital display that seamlessly blends with vintage-style analog controls. You'll also find eco-friendly materials and advanced tech, including an intuitive infotainment system and semi-autonomous driving features. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Morris Minor is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines an efficient electric motor with a compact petrol engine. This setup provides a smooth, responsive driving experience while keeping emissions low, and with advanced suspension and braking systems, it handles like a dream. So, what's the price tag for this blend of classic charm and modern technology? The starting price is expected to be around insert price, making it a premium choice for enthusiasts who want a unique ride with a touch of nostalgia. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Morris Minor. What do you think of this modern classic? Would you consider adding it to your collection? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.